Hope you love this video. Let's make it done. Hello everyone, so we came back in another video. Sorry for late. Last 3 weeks I'm not active on this my YouTube channel, but now I'm against the cam and now we are going to regularly upload this video. I hope you love to that. I'm trying to everyday upload video. That's really promise. That's my exam is end. So now I'm just starting Python and for loop. I just create this notebook. I'm not trying to run any code and give you this do that way. I'm not creating like this type video. I'm just create a notebook. I hope that's notebook you can understand. It's not totally for end-to-end beginner. If you already watch the video but you never understand which type you question you doing, how do you apply this for loop, that's where you need this note. So here it is. First, now we need to know about the for loop and need last while loop. We have this for loop and while loop. Let's try to understand the for loop, and that is the randomness. That's something is like a kind of the crate of this game. So you just guess the make it the guess. Come on, okay, let's start. And the guess, if you just run this code and you also can run, and that's way you can practice and you can. There is down to some digit, so there is the number is decimal. You should like we give the integer the number and end of the number is plus using the binary. Yeah, this way. Okay, let's start another question. Average of the number until 0. Okay, that is the average until the number of the 0 into the number stop in the 0. You just need something like this, the plus. How do you know is the plus point? Is like that. You just give the number. Is when it's not with this. If you click the 0, this breakdown and total number will be the plus. And there is another question. You just use this and come here, and I give you that. Everything is free, and that is interesting. Is the nested loop is most important. I think you should really need to learn that. I hope you can understand. Using first for loop once, and under this for loop another is I is the one for loop and j is another for loop, and there is a pin of this star, and here is this output. I hope you can understand. Loop control statement. Here is another is the break condition pause. So here is the break. If you this break is the break, you hope you know, and how to break use if you don't want to fight. So if it's come the 5 and we just break it, and there is the in deeply we not understand this lot of thing, but hope you love this video. Let's make it done.